दक्षिण गोंय सत्र न्यायाधीशान खुनाच्या प्रयत्नांतलो नावेलीच्या शरीफ शेखाचो जामीन न्हयकारलो. एके चलयेक जिवेशी मारपाचो यत्न केल्ल्याचो ताचेर आरोप आसा. आपल्या राबित्या विशीं न्यायालयात ताणें फटीची म्हायती दिल्ल्याचें उक्ताडार येयलां.
दक्षिण गोंयच्या सत्र न्यायालयान आज 43 वर्सां पिरायेच्या नावेलीच्या शरीफ शेखाचो जामीन अर्ज न्हयकारलो. एके 20 वर्सां पिरायेचे नावेलीचे चलयेक मारपाचो यत्न केल्लो असो ताचेर आरोप आसा. मुंबय उच्च न्यायालयाचो वकील सेउला वाझ हाणें पिडेस्त चलयेच्या वतीन ह्या प्रकरणात हस्तक्षेप केलो आनी जामीनाक विरोध करपी लेखी युक्तिवाद सादर केले.
Today, 24th of November 2021, the Honorable Sessions Court for South Goa has rejected the bail application of one accused, Sharif Sheikh. The offence is of attempt to murder under section 307 IPC. And the hurt injuries on the body of the victim also were very grave indeed. There were 5 inches worth deep cuts in the body of the victim. She has survived. Notable that this is a 43-year-old man from Naveli who has attacked a 20-year-old lady from Naveli itself, who happens to be his own niece. What is even further notable in this case is that this particular accused had gone on to in fact lie before the court in his bail application, where he stated that he was the permanent resident for many years of a particular place. Later on, during the course of hearings, it was discovered that he in fact did not live over there and there was no house existing over there. Because we had intervened, I'm Advocate Siola who had intervened on behalf of the victim. We had intervened and we were able to tell the court that the Akebaish Panchayat in Naveli had given a statement that that house itself does not exist. It was demolished many years ago. This is the state. Now we are very grateful to the Honorable Court that serious note was taken of the matter. The accused bail application has been rejected. Furthermore, the court has admitted a perjury application which was preferred by me on behalf of the victim. In the perjury application, we have stated that perjury is a serious offence. It is an offence against public justice. It is an offence where if he was granted bail based on a false statement about his house where he lives, then he would not even be able to submit to trial. He would not even submit to investigation because his place of residence would not be known. We would not be able to arrest him in the future. This is the status, and now the perjury application will be heard in due course. Of course, the accused has the remedy of even approaching the High Court.
Bureau Report, Goa 365.